Last year, the air ride industry took a heavy hit with AccuAir going out of business. Thankfully, Arnaud Industries stepped in and brought the brand back, and today we're going to cover a few of the awesome new products they're launching, including the E+ Touchpad, the E+ Connect ECU, and the integrated mobile app. One of the really cool features of the new E+ Connect ECU is that no longer are you required to purchase a new controller or ECU to update software. With the new 5.0 Bluetooth integration, you're able to update from the mobile app on the fly. A new cool feature for all you gamers and underglow boys is now the ECU is RGB backlit and fully customizable through the mobile app. A super handy feature of the new ECU is that it is completely plug and play with existing AccuAir harnesses, meaning you are not going to have to rewire your system. To complement both of these new products is the new E-Level Plus mobile app, which allows you to use Bluetooth to control your system from inside or outside of the car. In addition, if you're using the height sensors, you will also be able to see the percentage range of travel of your struts. For those of you who have used an AccuAir system in the past, you know that the old ECUs were a little bit power hungry. Thankfully, with the new ECU, there is now a power saving feature, which means that after 24 hours of not being used, the system will shut itself down to prevent draining your battery. All right, now that we've gone over all the features included in the new ECU, we're gonna go ahead and open up the new controller and ECU, show you what comes with them, and show you exactly how easy it is to install the new ECU and that LS400 back there. First up, let's unbox the new touchpad. All right, starting with the controller, the first thing that you're gonna find in the box is your warranty registration card. You are gonna wanna do this because these products do come with a limited lifetime warranty. The second thing we're gonna find is the quick user guide. And finally, a mounting template for if you are making a custom controller mount. All right, now let's move on to the controller itself. One of the really cool new features of the controller is the integrated cable. Previously, there were issues where if you sat on your controller, you could break off the connection point and have to buy a new controller. So having an integrated mounting point on the back for that cable is pretty nice. Additionally, we do get the wiring harness in case this is your first time purchasing the system. However, if you already have a harness in your system, it will be plug and play with the new controller. The first thing that you're gonna notice about the controller is just how good it feels in your hand. The materials feel very premium, the button clicks feel very good, there's good feedback from the entire controller, and there's also a nice weight to it. I have here the previous generation of E-Level controller. You can see the differences here. This one definitely looks like an old iPhone 3GS, and here we have our iPhone 13. It's just been revised a little bit just to be a little bit smoother and cleaner. And again, you can see on the back there the difference between the old controller plug style and then the new integrated cable. Let's show you what comes with the new ECU. First up is going to be the warranty card. Again, be sure to use that for the lifetime warranty. We're gonna get a quick start guide. Also can't forget the awesome template guide. This is again used for if you're making a custom mount. This gives you the exact measurements of each part of the system. And of course, the brains behind the system, the brand new ECU. As well, we've got the main harness and a generic harness to wire up to the manifold of your choosing. And this cute little bag of hardware. All right, so here we are in the back of the LS400. As you can see, this system is in dire need of some updating, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is to plug in the new ECU. All we're gonna do is go ahead and unplug all the connections from the back of the old ECU, and conveniently, they're all going to go right into the back of the new ECU. Now, don't worry, you cannot plug it into the wrong spot. Thankfully, they're all properly sized to only accept the plug that fits. And there we go. The new ECU is installed with really cool backlit RGB lighting, and you're all set to make a cool custom trunk setup. All right, so here we have the old E-Level controller, and just like the ECU, we're just gonna unplug, grab our new controller, and just plug it in, and we're all set and ready to rock. Now, this new controller is also magnetic, so you can go ahead and slap it on your controller mount, and you're all set and ready to go. Now that your new controller and ECU are plugged in, you are ready to calibrate the system using either the controller or the mobile app. All right, so that covers the new ECU controller and Bluetooth app from AccuAir. As always, if you have any additional questions, leave them down below or reach out to us at sales@bagriders.com and we'd be happy to help.